It's always a pleasure partnering with ACE Charity in order to give back to our community, especially through youth empowerment, which is part of our travel and purpose goals.
We have different people here who have different experiences that you can learn from. Please take advantage of it. Don't waste it. Ask as many questions as you can. Take from them, apply to yourself, and make yourself that powerhouse that you want to be.
You need to learn how to plan, called passion planning. And so it's the idea behind looking like, if you think of yourself in 3 years, where do you see yourself? Then think through what are the steps that it would take to get you there. And then when you think of those steps, you can then go and pick one out of all of those steps and then say you're going to focus on that one thing.
As an entrepreneur, you find that you have to work smart as opposed to hard. So it's not about the long hours you spend. It's really about focusing on the parts of your skills that you're very good at and outsourcing the rest of it.
I walked around, and even though I wasn't seated among the participants, I was able to learn a lot. So I know that everyone that was seated learned a lot from you, and what they learned is gold.
Find your passion and then follow it. The skills will come. The more you practice, the more you get to be an expert in what it is you've chosen to be.
Take stock of where you are currently at and appreciate where you're at. As long as you're not going backwards, it means you're moving forward.
Build the person. I find that a lot of business people focus so much on building the technical expertise to deliver the work, and they forget that it's the individual that determines the success, and also the followership, and also the gravitas in terms of how you grow. So make sure you build the person, because it builds a well-rounded. If you build a well-rounded person, then you're able to build a solid future for yourself.
I want you guys not to be comfortable with mediocrity.
Never feel like you can't, get to that highest position. Like, it doesn't matter who you know. It doesn't matter if your father's not a governor, your mother's not a senator. If you work hard and you're dedicated and you're focused, like literally the sky is your limit.
When you are in a particular career, look for mentors and not godfathers. It builds you up.
Play, change the metrics. Let's change that. 21 should not be the new 51. 21 should be the new 21. Enjoy your journey by all means.
Start small, put it into practice. I'll leave you with this quote. It says, a ship is safe in a harbor, but that is not what ships are built for. Ships are built to sail. So please go ahead and sail.